Hello students, I am Dr. Asha Arora, Assistant Professor in English. In this video, I am going to discuss with you the syllabus of General English that is prescribed in MGS University, Bikaner. This syllabus is common for part 1 of BA, BCom, BSc and BBM classes. The syllabus is in this way. There are four parts in the syllabus: A, B, C, and D. A part covers the topics of grammar, B part covers the transformation part, C part covers the comprehension part, and D part covers the written composition part. Now I come on the points. What is in these parts, how questions would be put up, and what is the marking scheme of each part of the prescribed part. Now we again come on a part, that is grammar part. The grammar part comprises and determiners, tenses and concord, auxiliaries, prepositions and basic sentence patterns. As surface reading, we see what these topics mean. First, we take the topic determiners. Determiners are the words that proclaim or indicate the arrival of noun or noun phrases. For example, a, and, the, this, these, several, many, something. These are all determiners. The second topic of grammar is tenses and concord. Uh, you are all familiar with tenses, and concord denotes the subject verb agreement, that is, how to use an appropriate verb as the subject needs to be identified in order to make correct sentence. The third topic of grammar is auxiliaries, that is the use of helping verbs and modal verbs that are used as helping verbs. The fourth part of grammar is prepositions. Prepositions are the words that are used before nouns and pronouns to show their relation with nouns, adjectives, or verbs uh, used before them. Uh, for example, in, for, along, with, on, in, etc. These are all prepositions. Uh, then the fifth topic in grammar is basic sentence patterns. In this part, some sentence pattern will be given and students will be asked to form sentences on those uh, sentence patterns. So all these topics will cover 10 marks in all. The B part is transformation part, in which sentences would be given and would be asked to change the active to passive voice, or simple sentence to compound or complex sentence, or declarative sentence into negative or interrogative sentence, or uh, direct speech into indirect speech. Transformation part will cover 10 marks. Now we come on the comprehension part, that is C part. Uh, this part will cover 50 marks. 10 marks are set for comprehension of an unseen passage. There will be an unseen passage and students will have to answer the questions that would be asked from the unseen passage. The rest of the 40 marks will be covered uh, from the prescribed text. Questions would be asked from the prescribed text. Now we take a look on what is prescribed in the syllabus as text. Uh, in prose part, there are 4 essays. The first essay is Digital India by Jagdish S. Joshi. And the second essay is The Power of Prayer by APJ Abdul Kalam. The third essay is I Have a Dream by Martin Luther King. The fourth essay is The World as I See It by Albert Einstein. In short stories part, the 2 short stories have been prescribed in the syllabus. The first story is The Three Questions by Leo Tolstoy, and the second story is Nachiketa. This story is from Kathopanishad, that is one of the most popular Upanishads. And one act play is also prescribed by Cedric Mount. The name of one act play is The Never Never Nest. In poetry part, there are three poems: Heaven of Freedom by Rabindranath Tagore, Death Be Not Proud by John Donne, and Kali the Mother by Swami Vivekananda. Again, I tell you that the book that is prescribed in your syllabus is Emerald, uh, that is published by Macmillan. Now I come on the D part of the syllabus, that is written composition, that covers 30 marks, in which uh, there is precis writing of 5 marks, paragraph writing is of 10 marks, letter writing formal and informal 5 marks, and report writing is of 10 marks. So this is all the syllabus that covers 100 marks.